Pakistan has issued a NOTAM warning within the Central Air Command's area of responsibility from 16 July to 23 July, indicating possible Air Force exercises. A Pakistan Air Force IL-78 aircraft was observed landing in Turkey, and reports indicate that it may have been involved in the transfer or retrieval of military supplies, including UAV parts and spare components. A series of recent Chinese Y-20 heavy transport aircraft flights to Pakistan has sparked speculation of a strategic military transfer, involving the resupply of HQ-16 surface-to-air missile batteries that were destroyed by Indian missile strikes. During his recent visit to US for talks with senior Pentagon officials, Pakistan Air Force Chief expressed strong concerns over a possible US sale of F-35A fifth-generation fighter jets to India, and he cited the significant damage already inflicted by the Indian Air Force using 4.5-generation Rafale fighter jets. Turkey and Pakistan are restructuring a $900 million drone deal to acquire more advanced UAV systems for precision strike and surveillance. 4 Indian Navy warships are scheduled to make a goodwill visit to the Philippines later this month. The Indian Army conducted a high-impact Prachand Shakti exercise that showcased the use of disruptive technologies, including UAVs, AI-enabled systems, loitering munitions, and autonomous platforms by infantry units in real-time strike core operations. NATO Secretary General has warned Brazil, China, and India, saying that they could face severe 100% secondary sanctions if they continue trade with Russia. Indonesian Navy warship and CN-235 aircraft have arrived at Port Blair for the 44th India-Indonesia Coordinated Patrol. An image has appeared on social media that shows the first Tejas trainer aircraft equipped with an in-flight refueling probe. Tata Elxsi and Hindustan Aeronautics designed and built the full-scale CATS Warrior demonstrator in just 14 weeks, and the firm is now building fuselage jigs for the first flying prototype that will conduct the first flight in 2026. The RDO's gas turbine research establishment is nearing completion of a cutting-edge 130 kN twin-engine test-bed facility, and the facility will be fully operational by October 2025. Hindustan Aeronautics has formally submitted a proposal to the Cabinet Committee on Security, seeking approval to build 5 flying prototypes of Indian multi-role helicopter. Following Brazil's move towards the 50 km EMADS air defense system, Indian authorities are now reconsidering their position and might offer Akash NG with a revised delivery timeline if talks resume. Tata Advanced Systems and Larsen & Toubro have emerged as top contenders to lead production of India's 5th-generation AMCA stealth fighter. The Indian Ministry of Defence has issued a request for proposal to the Airbus Tata Advanced Systems joint venture for 15 maritime variants of the Airbus C-295 aircraft, that includes 9 for the Indian Navy and 6 for the Coast Guard, that will be equipped with sonar-buoys, torpedoes and anti-ship missiles. Germany's Rheinmetall has offered its Skynex anti-aircraft system to the Indian Army to replace outdated L-70 and Zu-23mm guns that has been proven effective in Ukraine against Shahed 136 drone. The Skynex is a cutting-edge short-range air defense system featuring the Oerlikon 35mm revolver gun Mark III, which fires up to 1,000 rounds per minute with a 5 km range. It uses advanced hit efficiency and destruction programmable ammo that releases tungsten projectiles for intercepting drones and precision-guided munitions. A parallel idea to the AMCA program is gaining traction, which includes exploring a heavier and more powerful AMCA variant powered by 142 kN Russian product 177S engines. This alternate design could deliver extended range, higher payload capacity, and enhanced strike capabilities. It would also act as a strategic backup in case of delays in India's ongoing indigenous 120 kN engine development program. Today's top 3 comments.